Good day guys and welcome to Deliso Ace Review. In this video, I'm going to share to you how to add text on top of the image in your Google Docs. If you want to know how, please continue watching. So how to do it guys is first we have to insert the image but not the regular way which we will choose here in insert menu, but we will not use the image. Instead, we will use the drawing and then new. So here, we will insert the image by clicking this image icon. So click that one and then choose from your file. So I have prepared one, this one, okay. So here it is guys. We can adjust the image by just dragging this. It depends on you how will you enlarge your image. So now, we will put text on it, on top of this image. So by just clicking this text box guys, click this one, if you can see text box, and then click on the image. When you see the cross sign or the cross cursor, just click the image and you can see the box. So you will just drag it guys. You can drag the box. If it's too large, you can drag that one, or you can lessen the size by just dragging this square corners, like this darkened corners, square shape guys. So just drag that there, and then now we will put text on it. So you can just click on the box, inside the box, and then type type on your keyboard any words you want to write. So let's say I will put cute. So by that guys, you can modify or you can change the style of your text by just highlighting it guys, highlighting it. If you want to change the color of the text, you can press this, press the, oh I have already, so just highlight it guys and then press this three dots more, or you can see more, and then press this text color. So you choose the color and then it will change. And then if you want to change the style, you can make it bold or italic and then put an underline. So let's say I will just put the bold and then get the underline. So and then you can change the size also guys. So by just changing the font size, so you can add or you can just directly put, okay, or you can choose here down, so you can make the 70 like that. So you can drag that guys upward or downward or sideward by just clicking the line. If you can see, if you will put the cursor on the line of the box, it will, the cross arrows will pop up, and then there you can drag the box like that guys. So you can explore this menus guys to change the style of your text. So what I'm showing to you here is just the basic how you can put text or add text on top of the image in your Google Docs. So oh, by the way guys, you just have to save and close this one and it will appear to your Google page. So well, let's wait for a while. So there guys, so that's it guys. If you like this video, please press the like button below, and if you want more videos, just click the subscribe button. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy, and goodbye.